Hello guys, this is Berlin model of practice. Anybody, any motor vlogger in anyone in India are facing this problem called as memory is got full. No space in the C drive to edit a video or to render a video, and the product he's been he's been he's been not going properly. Already there's a secret setting in any Adobe software version. If you're a motor blogger and the system getting hang or software getting hang and there's no space in the serial to edit or to render a 4K vlog or Full HD vlog also. Already secret setting is for all the motor bloggers in India. What you should get now, open Adobe software and go to the second, not file guys. Go to second option, edit option. In edit option, go to preference option. In preference, go to media. Select the media option. Then in media option, you will add interface. In interface, go to the option called media cache data press in location C drive. There, just press the clean option, guys. After pressing clean option, whatever category is there, guys, it will be guessed. You do not edit cache memory, and this is where you can get your C drive back to normal, and your software will not hang, and normal edit and render your motor blogging biking videos back to normal. Guys, this is a technique, guys. How to the secret technique, guys. How to remove cache memory from the C drive. If you like this video, guys, please like made, share made, subscribe made. This is below the practice. Come, signing on another video shortly, guys. Bye bye, thank guys.